Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss lecture 2. Okay, lecture 1 I have already discussed, so that's why we are going to start lecture 2nd. Okay, so we are discussing regarding reagent chemistry. Okay, so if you see here, in previous lecture we have discussed the electrophiles. Okay, electrophiles means the charge will be positive. Okay, and nucleophiles means charge will be negative. Okay, so where it will means function of electrophile and nucleophile is that it acts on the reactant. Okay, so it if okay, so with the help of electrophile or nucleophile, reaction will be proceed to formation of products. Okay, so it helps to react with reactant. Okay, by which your product in the reaction will be formed. Okay, so it is the function of electrophile and nucleophile. In the second point is that organic for conversion of reactant to products. Okay, so there is a need of means for converting reactant to product, reaction mechanism involved. Okay, because if you if you see, this is the reactant, this is the product, so it directly not converted to product, it will in between the conversion of reactant to product, reaction intermediate will be formed. Okay, so what is reaction intermediate? So it is very unstable species. Okay, unstable species. And okay, so it is the reaction intermediate expected means it is the expected intermediate. Okay, so it is very unstable, so it again converted into products. Okay, so reaction intermediate, where it will form in between the reactant and products. Okay, so it is very important species. Okay, so in each reaction, for converting reactant to products, your reaction intermediate will be formed. Okay, so we will later we will discuss regarding the reaction intermediate, means how much it is type. Okay, so if you see here, again this is the reaction intermediate, so I am discussing regarding this, means which type of reaction intermediate will be formed for converting reactant to products. Okay, so if you see here, this is maybe carbocation, this may be carbene, this may be free radicals, this may be carbanion, this may be nitrogen. Okay, so these all types of reaction intermediates will form in the different types of reactions. Okay, so we will discuss step by step. First we will discuss carbocation. So carbo means carbon. Okay, cation means positively charged. Okay, so it by which the name is carbocation. Okay, so it is carbon having charge. Which type of charge? Positive charge. Okay, like that. So suppose that CS3, so first type of this, so this is called carbocation, means this is electron deficient species. Okay, so if you suppose that CS3 CS2 Cl. Okay, so it is ethyl chloride, so ethyl chloride formation of carbocation will be ethyl carbocation. Okay, so it is the carbocation. So carbocation may be CS3, this type of carbocation can be formed in the as a reaction intermediate. Okay, next is the carbanion. So carbanion means carbon having negative charge. Okay, so that's why it is called carbanion. Suppose that these are types of carbanion. Okay, so all types of carbon center having positive negative charge. Okay, so these are the negative species. Okay, so it is a very short video, but you should be your concept should be clear. So I have discussed in the first lecture we have discussed electrophile, nucleophile. Okay, electrophile electron deficient species, nucleophile electron means they have electron. Okay, excess electron. Okay, so after that, where electrophile and nucleophile will be present, it actually act as a reagent. Okay, the function is act as a reagent. Okay, so it helps for reactant to convert the products. Okay, clear? In the first in the third point is that for convert they help, sorry for blurring, This is the reactant. Any reaction, if in the reaction, what happen in the reaction? If you see any reaction, if you proceed, so reactant with the help of reagent converted into product. Okay, so it is the basic concept, but in between reaction intermediate will form. This reaction intermediate is very unstable. Okay, and it when reaction intermediate will form, they easily converted to products. Okay, so it is the third point. Clear? In the fourth point, if you see here, this is the reaction intermediates, means which type of reaction intermediate will be formed. So there are various type of intermediates. You can carbocation, nitrogen, carbon free radicals, and carbanion. So these are types of reaction intermediate which will be formed in the when reactant converted to products. So in between it will be formed. So first we will discuss carbocation. So carbocation means carbon having positively charged, means it is the electron deficient side. Okay, so example we have discussed this type of, okay, cs3 plus cs3 cs2. If you give temperature to this, so we convert it to this one. Okay, so these are types of species having carbon center positively charged, so that's why it is a carbocation. Okay, so it is the electron deficient side. Okay, electron deficient species. The next one is carbanion. So carbanion means carbon having anion means electron excess, means electron excessive side, you can say, means these species having more electron. Okay, so these are the negatively charged, so it have capability to donate electron to the electrophile. Okay, but in this they can accept the electron from nucleophile. Okay, so these are the vice versa, you can say. Okay, so it is all about the reagent chemistry, in which I have today in the lecture second we have only discussed the reaction intermediates. Okay, so reaction we have discussed only carbocation and carbanion. Okay, so 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 I have mentioned the two or three questions. Suppose that we have asked from you that cs3 cs2 cs2 bromine. Okay, so if you give temperature to this, what will be formed? First of all, if you see here, these are the bond. CBr bond is very weak as compared to this one, carbon carbon. Okay, so that's why this bond will be break down, and when it will break down, what species form? cs3 cs2 plus, so carbo and bromine minus. So if we will ask you that which species is carbocation and which is carbanion. So if you see, easily you can guess that positive, if positive charge is here, this species is called carbocation. Anionic, this is the anionic part, so it is the carbanion. So it is the electron deficient side, this is the electron excessive side. Okay, so it is the means it attracts to this. Okay, but it attracts to this, means it have capability to accept the electron from anion, but anion can having capability to donate the electron to nucleophile. Okay, so it is all about carbocation and carbanion. So we will discuss the free radical in the third lecture. We will discuss the remaining the part. Okay, so thank you friends, and we will meet you in the third lecture.